The Boya BY-M1 is an affordable lapel mic that can be used with smartphones, cameras, laptops and other devices. I bought it because in addition to it being cheap, it was also highly recommended by reviewers as a good mic for beginners. Hi there, I'm Francois. I like exploring ways that I can make my technology work for me. If you would like to get the best out of your technology, why not subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how to do this. I've been away for a bit due to work and being a bit ill, and yet my channel has continued to grow gradually. Thank you so much for your support. I'm continuing my video tech series by talking about this mic, the Boya BY-M1 lapel microphone. Why I bought it. In my first videos, the sound quality was not great. I needed a mic, but I didn't want to spend too much money on it because audio can get quite expensive. After watching a few good reviews on the Boya BY-M1, I decided to buy this microphone. My sound on my videos is so much better now, but I would like to improve it even a little bit more using my current mic with software so that I can amplify the results that I get out of the audio. I always hear people say how important good sound is. An audience will forgive bad quality footage but will not tolerate bad sound. I get that. I cringe at how bad my sound was only a short while ago and how easy it was to remedy that situation. What is it? The Boya BY-M1 is an affordable lapel or lavalier microphone. A lapel is the folded back part on each side of a jacket or coat, and a lavalier is a pendant worn from a necklace. This microphone can be used with cameras, smartphones or other recording devices. It is designed for reliable and trouble-free performance. It is an omnidirectional microphone, which means that it picks up sound with equal gain from all sides or directions of the microphone. What's in the box? One BY-M1 lapel microphone, a foam windscreen, a clothing clip, Velcro, a LR44 battery which kind of looks like a watch battery, a carrying case, and the user manual which is only 10 pages long. Why this mic? A lapel mic was a good option for me. I'm generally a soft-spoken person, so I needed a microphone very close to my mouth. And having a mic that easily works both indoors and outdoors helps. The Boya BY-M1 is simple to set up. It's extremely easy to use, it's very affordable, and it gives good quality audio for beginners. It is lightweight and it comes with a 6-meter cable which is kept in place with a Velcro strap if the extra length is not needed. Cons. What's wrong with it? The clothing clip is fragile. Mine broke after a while of use. I've now taped the mic onto the broken bit that was left of the clip with some duct tape. The cable can sometimes get in the way. Boya do sell wireless options, but these are a bit more pricey. I might look into the Boya BY-M1 cardioid condenser microphone later on. How I use it. I used to plug the mic directly into my smartphone when I was using the Mara Z to record my videos because it had a headphone jack. Since my current smartphone, the iPhone 11, doesn't have a headphone jack and I gave the adapter away, now I simply plug the microphone into my laptop, which is over here right next to me. I like the fact that I get a separate audio channel. It sometimes can be a fuss aligning the audio from the mic with the video shot on the iPhone, but I think I'm getting better at it. While I have this lapel mic though, I want to do my best to make the technology work for me. Since there's not much I can do about changing the hardware right now, I will focus on using the correct software. I record my audio using the Voice Memo app on the Mac. This was exclusively an iOS app until recently. It has come to the Mac with macOS Mojave, and all of this makes transferring audio files between the Mac and the iPhone seamless when I do edit on my iPhone. The Voice Memo app is a simple app though. It's basically just a voice recorder, and there's no way to enhance the audio inside the app once it's been recorded. So now I want to try and record audio using GarageBand, which is a free app that comes on the Mac App Store. This GarageBand app has so much more options and a much cooler name, but for now I still do not know how to use the GarageBand app properly. I also want to get better at editing audio in post-production with the LumaFusion app. I've been looking at the manual and inside the app, and I see there's a lot of options for playing around with the sound, and there are many effects that I need to play around with. Since I record audio from both my iPhone and the mic that I use through my laptop, Perhaps this will allow me to combine the audio sources inside LumaFusion to create a more fuller sound. All in all, this is a very good mic for beginners starting a YouTube channel like me. I bought mine from Takealot here in South Africa, and I felt confident about buying this very affordable mic after reading the many positive reviews from people who had already bought the mic. There are many in-depth reviews on YouTube about this mic, and I want to especially mention one that has helped me a lot. Justin Brown from Primal Video gives an awesome review of the BY-M1 lapel microphone and even shows you how to hide the mic if you need to. Check out the link in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, subscribe so you get notified when the next helpful video is out, and feel free to share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.